Mommy Sissy Bird by John Benjamin. One day I spied a sissy bird inside a mango tree. And did you know what else I saw? Her baby ones I well did see. I counted one, I counted two, and one made three. Inside a mango tree, inside a home of straw and sticks, twice round and round, so very neat. And did you know what else I saw? I saw this mommy bird. There is care and true love. Fetch a one for those she loved. For goodness sake, that was a treat. In flavor, there was none to